Canva, live. Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. So we are live again. I know that very few students are going to be live today because it's not a very popular course. It's not a very popular exam. So let's start. First of all, today we are going to talk about the financial awareness section of the IBPS RRB Scale 2 General Banking Officer exam. So, and even the Scale 3, the syllabus for that IBPS RRB Scale 3. Sorry for that. Sorry for that actually. I hope you are getting my voice now. I hope hello yeah, it's better. So there was a little technical glitch. So welcome back students. So today we are going to discuss the IBPS RRB Scale 2 General Banking Officer and the Scale 3. And today the topic is financial awareness. How to prepare for financial awareness section, what is the syllabus and what to study, what not to study for the financial awareness section. So let's start. In case you have any doubt, you can use that chat, but the chat there, I'm going to answer all the chat questions. There is Rohit, Mukeria, Ravi Vergi, Shahid Parwana, comparative series, Ravi Vergi, Prasanna Samaya. So I think yeah, now it's clearly audible. So hello everybody. So now let's start how to start your preparation for that RRB Scale 2. So before starting, let me tell you that we are working on a complete course, the RRB Scale 3 GBO course, in which we are providing video classes, notes, test series and the doubt clearing session. So this is my personal number and the demo course link is available in the description. So let's start. So students, basically we have divided the whole syllabus into 7 parts. The RBI, banking basics, rural banking, banking awareness, financial management, government schemes, international banking. So we have divided the whole financial awareness syllabus into these 7 parts precisely. So let's start with RBI, what to study, what not to study for RBI. First of all, you need to study what is the origin of RBI, how it was started, when it was started, what was the old name of RBI, what is the new name of RBI, who's the current governor, who are the various the deputy governors, whom he did replace. That's the first thing that you need to read, and various powers and authorities of RBI, what they can do actually, what are the various functions, what they do. Then our relationship between RBI, SEBI and IRDA, what they do. These are the various financial regulatory organization, what they do basically. So, and what is the name of their bosses in case of RBI? I have already done the name of governor. What are the name of their bosses and who controls what? And then various NBFCs, MFIs, gold loan, ULIP, mutual fund, everything, and how that RBI, SEBI and IRDA, these are 3 major financial regulators, and I skipped the NABARD here because we are going to cover that in next slide. So these are the 4 major financial regulatory organizations. What are their powers and what they do, how they do it, I mean how they control NBFCs, small payment banks and all. Powers and functions of RBI, NABARD, SEBI, IRDA. So what are their powers, right? IRDA and even MFI. What are their powers and what they do, what are their function, what is a nodal agency and all. So how does the RBI controls the money supply? You need to read the monetary policy. So it was released, the bi-monthly monetary policy review, you need to read that. The open market operation, MSF, liquidity adjustment facility, you need to read in depth about these. So I have already told you, read about the monetary policy. So SLR, CRR, repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate, what is priority sector lending, what are its subsectors, how do that apply to domestic versus foreign banking, do this thing that priority sector lending applies to the foreign banks or not. Then the currency chest, mint, press, who signs the currency, who approves the coins, how the notes are printed, the Mudra Vitarn organizations and all that you need to read, right? So let's move forward. The measures of money supply, the foreign exchange management, the powers under FERA and FEMA. FEMA is really important. The Banking Regulation Act 1934, really important soon, and its recent amendments are actually very important. Then the various acts related to banking. Most important one is a corporate. The Uday Kotak committee is really important. The Uday Kotak committee for the corporate governance, that is actually really important. The banking reforms, the banking license, Narasimhan committee, the Basel norms. So these are the important topics related to RBI, the foreign exchange management, the components of foreign reserves. So these are the important topics that are directly related to RBI that you need to study. Let's move on to the second part. Very simple, the basics of banking. These are some, you can say, the basics of banking. In that our banking awareness digest, we cover that. So what is a bank? What are the various functions of bank? What are the various services provided by a bank? What are the various types of bank? There are commercial banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, small saving bank, small payment banks and all, right? Payment wallets, very important, very hot topic. Scheduled commercial banks, very important. Public sector bank versus private sector bank, how they are different. IDBI, ICICI, IFCI, SIDB, Exim, NHB, very important. What they do, how they started, and what the full form, who are the CMDs, headquarters. This one is really important. The names of chairman and CMDs of big banks. We are going to find at least 1 or 2 questions from this portion. बहुत important है. The nationalization of banks, of mergers and consolidations. Recently SBI वाला जो हुआ है, associated banks and all, really important. Further future में chance है that is going to happen. That's also important. The basic GK or the general awareness, the banking awareness related to the banking. The first commercial bank in India, the first bank set up by Indians, the origin of SBI, ICICI, HDFC, subsidiaries of SBI, subsidiaries of RBI, subsidiaries of NABARD, subsidiaries of SEBI, very important. So the next one is a banking static concept. So this is different from banking basics because this one is static. What is NPA? What are various types of loan? What are various types of account? What are there are current account, saving account, recurring deposit account, RDs, FDs and all, right? Various services provided by banks, internet banking, mobile banking and everything, M-banking. So the link is available in the description to the complete list of the concepts that you need to study. So please check the description, right? The description. The link is available there. If it is not available, I'll provide that to you. Don't worry. So till now, if there is any doubt, please ask your doubt in that chat, right? So I'm going to answer all the doubts there. Okay. So in case you have any doubt, you can ask that in the chat, right? Okay. So let's continue. Banking concept, static, you need to do. The various topics are there: green banking, Islamic banking, whatever is there. What are the static topics are there related to banking? Whatever is happening in last 5, 7, 10 years, those concepts are really important for this exam. The rural banking, this one is very important. First of all, the RBI versus NABARD. What are the authorities of NABARD and what are the authorities of RBI? NABARD is managing the rural bank. What are their, there's a fine line of there's a fine line between NABARD and RBI's authorities. There are some portions that NABARD is handling, and the commercial banking, the RBI is handling that. So the financial inclusion and various government schemes associated with it, this one is actually related to NABARD as well as RBI. So various government schemes related to financial inclusion and banking, very important. The Jan Dhan Yojana, Mudra Yojana, all that, Kisan credit card, very important. The microfinance institutions, MFIs, primary agricultural societies, that's actually again important. The lead bank scheme, local area banks, service area approach, the Kisan credit cards, interest subvention of crop loans, the crop insurance, again the crop insurance scheme, that one is also important. The government schemes related to rural bank and financial inclusion, for example Jan Dhan Yojana, Mudra Yojana, Kisan credit card, all that schemes are really important. Then the international banking. In the international banking, the World Bank, IMF, who are their heads and where are the headquarters, what are their powers, and recent actions and recent, policies, whatever recent reports by World Bank, IMF and all that, really important. Then the Basel norms, again I'm talking about Basel norms 3. I have uploaded the Basel 3 norms. I have already uploaded a video about that. बहुत important है. BIS again बहुत important है. BIS बहुत important है. Islamic banking, ADR, GDR, IDR ये भी बहुत important है. So this one ये थोड़ा सा shock होगा आप सबके लिए, थोड़ा सा shocker है. You are going to find, I think, 7 to 8 questions from practicals, numericals. Calculators are not allowed. The cost of capital chapter is there, very important. Capital budgeting. Cost of capital में weighted average cost of capital is important. Capital budgeting में IRR वाला topic is important. Ratio analysis में inventory turnover ratios are very important. Then there is time value of money, rule of 72, rule of 144, financial statement analysis and derivative. So these are, according to me, 6 important chapters. CAPM, I left the CAPM here. This one is also very important. CAPM and portfolio management, very important topics. So that's all for today, students. I mean, अगर आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है, डाउट है, इंग्लिश हिंदी में कभी पूछना चाहते हैं, पूछ लीजिए. एंड जो डेमो कोर्स का लिंक है IBPS RRB स्केल 2 का, दैट इज अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. इवन स्केल 3 के लिए दिस वन इज ऑल्सो वेरी यूजफुल. इट्स अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. एंड this is our syllabus according to us. The notes are available. Everything is available in the description. If you have any doubt, you can ask us. Let me check. Okay, shall we study this syllabus for IBPS clerk exam, Prasanna? No, don't study that. Obviously, financial management, why you need to read the financial management for IBPS clerk exam? No, you shouldn't. Except that IBPS clerk, the remaining topics, except that financial management, you can study the remaining topics. I mean, forget about this one. For the remaining portion, yes, you can read. Okay. So please tell, sir, last year was a lot of questions on the history of banks. Gaurav, yes, we have prepared a notes for that IBPS RRB scale 2 and scale 3. In those notes, we have included the history of banking as well, and I'm going to provide the link in the description for the history of banks topic. You can get that in the description, right? So anything else? My qualification is MCOM, no experience, competitive series, you are not eligible. Work experience is required. So that's all for today, students. I mean, this is the course that we are providing, the IBPS RRB scale 3 complete course by team bankexamstoday.com. You can access it via your mobile phone, via Bank Exams Today mobile app. The Bank Exams Today Android application is there. Please check the Android application. Android app is there. Please install this application on your mobile and take a demo course. Otherwise, you can directly go to bankexamstoday.com. bankexamstoday.com. You can go to bankexamstoday.com. And I request all of you to take a demo course, very important for you. And in case you like the demo course, you can join the full course. You can watch the classes anytime. You can download the notes anytime, and you can take the test series anytime, right? So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye.